Kia ora koutou, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I'm at Opononi, and I'm walking along the beach and I saw these waka. And I thought, what a great practice for pronunciation. You can never have too much pronunciation practice, no matter how far along we are with our journey. So remembering the a, e, I, o, u, and remembering to make a break after every vowel. Here's something that I've never seen before, so we'll practice that. A, ki, ha, ki, ma, pu, na. A, ki, ha, ki, ma, pu, na. A, ki, ha, ki, ma, pu, na. So wherever you see Māori words unexpectedly, like I have just now, you can practice them. At the end of this waka, it's also got this one to practice. Moana nui, moana nui, and then mahi, 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 and then down here, tutu kaka coast Aotearoa. Tutu kaka, the name of this coast. And there's another one over here. This one's upside down, so it's a bit of a challenge, but we can read upside down. Te puao o te ata. Te puao o te ata. And then one last one, which is also upside down. Te rere a manu. Te rere a manu. So there's a little morning walk which turned into a Te Reo Māori pronunciation session. And here is the beautiful harbour around Opononi. Ka kite.